So hello guys, today I just received this parcel which contains an Nvidia RTX A5000. Actually this box looks simple. You can see rest of the box are so much big in size, but it is quite small, and the card is also not that much heavy. It is a weight, but not that much of weight there. So it is an LHR card, and these are the box descriptions available, and these are the stuffs. So I brought this from Mumbai. Actually, a right solution something I think, and I will share it. I opened the card and I placed it here. This card has only disadvantage of getting too much of heat, and it is producing enormous amount of heat. So I can able to feel that while riding a bike you can feel some air, no? Likewise was throwing some hot air, and the only suction area of an air is here, the single fan. It is excellent. I mean, when compared to other graphics card, it has a three fans. Although this single fan is emitting, I mean, giving in so much of an air. I can feel it here. It is not called as a single fan, it is called as a monster. And let's see how much temperature it is producing. And there is many difficulties I faced while installing that A5000. Come on, screen wake up. Here you can see A5000 is I was running it separately. It is giving nearly, is capable to give nearly 107 mega hashes, but I was running at 99 mega hashes because there is a reason. I will tell everything. Rest of the cards are running in a separate algorithm. So why I was running here mean, I tried with an MSI overclock setting for an A5000 card. It is now working that much of an efficient. You can see here the temperature is a 61 degree here, and memory junction temperature is a 90 degree. But when I use my MSI to run with other card, the heat will gradually increases and reaches soon 76 degree, 78 degree. It may go high. I can't able to see that much of an heat, so I just turn off. So this is the stuff happened. So what I did was I I just applied my overclock setting here itself. You can see here I just applied my overclock setting here itself. Actually I don't know how to apply this, but the recent new Nvidia NB Miner version, NB Miner 40.1 will help you to get those. You can see here, start ETH.overclock. It will set an overclock for you automatically. I mean, when you click here, you can see here, this is automatically present here. So you can able to get this commands here, and you can paste it wherever you want. So this is useful, so you can use this, and hope this video will be helpful for many A5000 users. A5000 is getting overheat. This is an issue caused maybe due to one of improper overclock settings, or there is an improper airflow of your graphics card arrangement. So we have to make sure whether we have arranged is in a good proper air supply. You can see here I have made two fans to make an airflow into the A5000 card. So this is what I can able to do right now, and make this stuff available for your A5000. Don't worry, if your card is getting overheat, try one of these two methods which I said, that one is overclock and another one is in proper airflow. So this will really solve, I mean, mostly solve the issues. And thanks for watching this video up to here. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Cheers. See you on the next video. Bye.